Hi, what's your name?
My name's Stefan Mesidor. How are you?
Stefan?
Yep, Mesidor.
Mesidor. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm Tiffany. We're the Stats on Stats podcast.
Awesome.
And we're grateful that you came over to chat with us about why you're here at BSides today. So could you tell everyone what brought you to BSides?
Honestly, it was to learn some new things, meet some new people. Haven't been here in like 8, maybe 10 years. I tried to come to UCF a long time ago, and I was like, let me come out and learn something new. Actually, I just came from a talk with Kat, and she works for Google, talking about a home lab. So she was like, hey, everybody, get up off your butt, make it a home lab if you really want to make it in the industry. So that's really exciting.
Do you have a lab already?
I do have a home lab.
Tell us about your lab.
Yeah, so right now I'm part of a program, ECA Academy. We're creating a lot of threat detections. A lot of us want to become threat hunters. For my home lab, it specializes in threat detection, incident response, so that I'm able to attack and simulate different adversarial techniques. So that's about it for my home lab.
Okay, so you clearly had this lab before the talk. So can you explain why you actually built the lab yourself prior to even coming to BSides?
Oh yeah, definitely. So I'm a cloud security engineer at a defense contracting company, and so I want to transition into the threat hunting industry. So what's the best way to transition if you don't have the job? You build a lab so that you can actually show your employer how you're actually doing a certain thing, even though you don't actually work in that particular specialty. So that's why I did it.
Perfect. I love it. So a lot of people come and watch our show because they have questions about what got us into tech.
Yeah.
So could you tell us, like, one, what inspired you to be in the tech world? And then also, what advice do you give people who ask about what you do in tech?
What advice would I give? My first advice would say, don't give up. Let's just say I got a lot of no's. I always wanted to become a mechanical engineer. Failed a lot of classes, and essentially it was like, you know what, let me go ahead and try this whole cybersecurity thing out. One of the managers gave me a yes, and from then my career skyrocketed since then on. And I've gotten some opportunities to make some pretty cool impacts. So yeah.
Okay, awesome. And who inspired you? Is there anybody who inspired you, or like?
To get into tech?
Yep.
I actually did not really have the inspiration. I've just always liked building stuff, you know what I mean? Building it, breaking it, and I was just like, you know what, tech would be a really great place to be. So yeah, and it's fun. You just gotta try it. It's really fun.
Awesome.
So, yeah.
Is this your first BSides?
In a long time, I think 8 to 10 years or so. Yeah, I think I went to one in Orlando a long time ago. Yeah, I was looking for a job around here, actually. Yeah, I got a lot of no's there too. But guess what? You come back, you make a lot of new connections, and it's cool to see it from a different perspective with experience. And I'm also able to talk to a lot of young professionals here too. And they're like, oh, you work in IT? And I'm able to share my story with them. And then from there, they're like, oh, okay, so I can make it too.
Great. So what's one thing that you feel like you've shared that could help people who are watching this right now?
One thing that I've shared, I've failed 8 college classes, worked 3 jobs at the same time, and my GPA was under 3.0, and I'm still a senior cybersecurity engineer. So if I can make it, you can make it too. That's it.
Okay. Hope we see you at another BSides or something in the area.
Absolutely. This is fun. And I get some free gear. I mean, I love free. I think we all do. I'll take it.
Awesome. It was really nice to meet you. Thank you
Likewise.
again for being a part of our
Likewise.
many interviews.